This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download an entire folder that you have created in Google Drive and access those files from your computer, even if those documents were created within Google's programs such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. So if you want to download a folder, you just need to open that folder or go to the screen in Google Drive where that folder is located and right-click the folder and then select download. And when you do this, Google Drive is going to place all of the files within a zip file, which is a way of compressing all of the content within that folder into one file. And this process will take a little while. And now this document or this folder has been downloaded and it's in a zip file. Now on most computers, whether it's Windows or Mac, you will be able to use software that came with the computer in order to open that, and on the Mac it's automatically extracted. And the cool thing about this is that it converts all of the files within that folder that you created in Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Slides into Microsoft Office formats so that you can open them in Microsoft Word. So this video explained how you can download folders that you created in Google Drive to your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel, and also leave a comment below if you have a question that you would like me to address in a future video. And also please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.